Hello guys, this is me, Sonrisa Auren. Welcome back to my channel. It's been 4 years since I uploaded something in YouTube. And karon na dyan naka-time na mag-upload o magkaroon ng content, no? For those who doesn't know, I'm from Cebu, Philippines. So I will try to speak English, Tagalog, Bisaya, but as much as possible English so that everyone understand, okay? Okay. So, sorry for the low quality video and my room is kind of messy. Don't, I don't know how to edit things, so this is just a straight on the spot video, guys. So, anywho, don't mind my background again. I'll do. I really want to do this for a long time, since last year, and I've been watching this on TikTok, YouTube, doing this. Look at that, Popmart unboxing. Roll drum. Anywho, so I just bought something very memorable for me again. This is my childhood cartoon, guys. Okay.
Wedding.
What is it? Ta-da! My plushies. I really want to have plushies. First, I really want to have a crybaby plushies, but in Osaka, there's nothing. No plushies for crybaby for now. It's just a figurine one, but I don't want the figurine. So anywho, I was searching for plushies, and I really want to buy one box so that I can have them all. And I saw this one. They're so very cute. Look at that. Look at this. I really want to have Patrick, the pink one. Oh my god, so cute. And the second maybe SpongeBob. And I think there was a secret one, which is, I believe it's Plankton. I'm not sure. So basically one big box has 4 boxes, and you can have 4 of them or the one with secret. So I'm rooting for, of course, 2 of them and secret. So I'll just open this up a little while. Okay, kind of pose it for. Hi guys, welcome back. So I took off the plastic. I'll just open it now. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I have difficulty. Excitement. Okay, there's something that you can open up like this, I think. In the side, I think. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, Popmart! What the heck? You can open it like this kind of side, I think. Right, yes. Let me open it like that. Like this. Oops. And then okay, you can take this off. Okay, got that. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. I'm really excited. I'm fucking excited. Hello guys, welcome back. I just finished opening my box.
Sana all transition is real.
My excitement went up immediately. Which one should I open? Which one? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. The anxiety when opening it. Oh my god. First one, Patrick, please. Patrick. Manifesting Patrick. First one to open like this. Oh! Okay, that feels good. I don't know why, but it just feels good. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my god, Patrick. There's a card. But luckily it was flipped. But I didn't look. Oh, oh my god, look at it's Squidward. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's like the manhwa I read that is just handsome but nerdy. He reminds me of my boyfriend. It's so cute. Okay, next one. Okay, there's a card. I didn't look. When I opened it, it just went like that. Squidward. Okay, Squidward is my fourth one I really like to have. So yeah. Next one. Look, let's do here. The back. So front and back. I'm so excited to do that. Let's do that. Okay. Oh my god, I don't want to look at the card. Oh my god, Patrick or SpongeBob or The Secret, please. I don't know. They're like almost the same. Like if... I'm sad. I'm kind of sad. Well, Secret is the least I wanted. But yeah, it's still cute. Mr. Krabs. Where's the card? Okay, here's the card. Mr. Krabs. So cute. I have Squidward and Mr. Krabs and cards. Okay, next one. Which one? Let's do this one. Oops. Okay. Let's do this one. What's the sound? I don't want to look because the card is there. Okay. I'm kind of still excited. So cute. So cute, guys. So cute. Oh my gosh. SpongeBob. Okay, where's this card? SpongeBob. Okay. Hi, Spongy. Okay. The last and but not the least. Oh my god, my most favorite. I was expecting, of course. No, this is Patrick Star. She's so diva. He always wants to be the last one because I want him. Gosh. I'm expecting this is Patrick, right? I like pink and yellow. That's why I really want them. Oh my god, Patrick Star. Oh my god, he's so cute. Yeah, this is me always just like that. Also, this is where's this card? This one. Oh, sadly I didn't have here Plankton because he's the only one has antenna or something. So yeah, sadly I didn't have the secret, but you know, still. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're so cute. So happy with my first unboxing plushies. I hope I can buy the Crybaby one. Those ones are very cute too. But I'm so happy with my plushies now. Complete! Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope we can be together in the next video, okay? Comment below if you still want more plushies to be open. See you, thank you.
Stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I got it.